welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So today is Tablescape Tuesdays, and I am so happy to announce our guest today, which is Grandma Sandy and Debbie from Blossom Your Creativity. Now the theme for today's collab is called Farmhouse Harvest. Now remember that I'm going to be linking the host and the guest host down below in the description box along with our channel link. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure and full watch the video, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist to see how we decorated with Farmhouse Harvest. So now if you guys haven't been over to Grandma Sandy's channel and Debbie from Blossom Your Creativity, you are missing out. Debbie does a lot of DIYing. She's very creative. These ladies have tea parties together and they take care of their fairy gardens, and they just do all kinds of really beautiful things on their channel. You're missing out if you haven't been over there to visit. So make sure you go, subscribe, show them some love, and then tell them that the ladies of Elegance sent you. Okay guys, so I'm decorating a table for two in Farmhouse Harvest, and I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music, and I'll see you guys at the end. so let me see if I can tell you a little bit about the table. So the tablecloth is a thrifted item. And then we have the charger and the dishes. They came from the Dollar Tree. Now, the maple leaf buffalo check dessert dishes, those came from Hobby Lobby. Along the back, we have the beige lantern. Little home there, and that is a thrifted item. The florals and the floral box, that was DIY, and then I made the candle, the pumpkin candle. So I think overall, I think I might have achieved this farmhouse harvest theme. And then the cups, I got those at the Dollar Tree, and I believe the glasses were thrifted items. So I think we did pretty good here, guys. Now we are lighting the candles, and so we're gonna head on over to the reveal, guys. Now I'm certainly not going to overlook my little gingerbread men, and I DIY'd those. So overall, I think all of this came out absolutely gorgeous, and I do want to take a moment to thank Grandma Sandy and Debbie from Blossom Your Creativity for guest hosting in this collaboration. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed putting it together for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.